Clearly, we require a substitution to evaluate this integral. Since cosx dx is present in the numerator, the substitution we use is sin x equal to t. We change the cos square x in the second factor in the denominator to 1 minus sin square x. So put sin x equal to t so that cos x dx equal to dt. We will now use partial fractions. For convenience in using partial fractions, we use t square equal to u. So the form is a by 4 plus u plus b by brackets 1 plus 4u. Find a and b. We will replace u with minus 4 and u with minus 1 by 4. So put u equal to minus 4 to get a. Put u equal to minus 1 by 4 to find b. Substitute the values of a and b. Place u equal to t square before we start the integration. Each term is of the form 1 by a square plus x square. So we write the 4 as 2 square. The second integral, you can use a substitution for 2t or adjust with a 1 by 2. After integration, put t equal to sin x.